Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a layout. Joining in for MK and Janet's 31 days of cut files. I am very behind. I actually cut a bunch of the cut files and backed them or did something with them, but didn't finish the layout because I'm somebody who a lot of times will scrapbook in front of the TV partially, and especially because I don't have a lot of time. Now that we have a dog, for some reason I find myself spending more time with her, and she doesn't like my craft room. It's in the basement and it makes her uneasy, so we don't get to go down here very often. I'm hoping someday that changes. She's still a puppy. She's only one, so you know, yeah. But anyway, this is the cut file from day 3. It was a set of birthday candle letters or numbers, sorry, or just numbers that are candles. They don't have to be birthday candle. So I counted the number 5 because I've had this layout sitting around partially done, thinking it was missing something, and sure enough, I thought a candle would be perfect. So I'm gonna nestle it in right here. This is gonna be super quick, so that's why I figured I would go with this one with minimal editing and get it up, get it posted so you guys can see it, and get something done. So yeah, I have a lot of cut files ready, just nothing either recorded or edited. So I'm trying to minimize the editing. So this was a layout I just did with a lot of fun scraps that I had lying around for my niece's birthday. So I kind of wanted to, figured adding blue in here would be great since her dress is like mainly blue, and then I have the scrap from what I backed that. Like I said, these are just a bunch of random things from my stash. These are from, what are they from? Not Elle Studio. Maybe? No, Bella Boulevard, or who does the, I have tons of them. I can't think of what they're called right now there. But I have one in every color. It's the sheet. It comes with like stars, arrows. Yeah, if I could find them, I would show you. Of course, I can't find them now. I have tons of them though. And then these are color cast designs. This was a punch I used when I was at, this is a label from Elle Studio, Scrap and Happy Studios, Flare. Yeah, this was a punch I used at a retreat. So lots of just little bits, and used up some stash, right? I could add some glue to this too, actually. So I thought if I'm adding some blue with this number, then I could go ahead and add some blue other places as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I thought about trimming this down a little bit, giving us a little less pink over here. Get this level. Making a little more square. There we go. Adding this blue as a layer down in this corner. And then I think I'm going to trim this a little bit. Nope. So it's just barely poking up top. And then that way to add some blue to balance the layout a little bit. So this one is going to come together really quick because, like I said, I had most of the layout done. Just needed to add some blue to balance. And then my new favorite tool. I need to get a label, just a plain label punch as well, but I freaking love this punch. Even if I don't have the full length of one, I usually can or the double for folding over. Usually you can just cut one half. Get yourself a little tab. This will be great because then I'll have this layout almost done instead now of where the progress it was at before, which was not done. There. Then I have blue kind of around, and what I love is this blue is kind of in this pattern, so it actually pulls it from somewhere. I really love the contrast. And I have to decide if I want to put it on just this white cardstock. That's what I was trying to decide what I wanted to do. Or if I want to put it on like a pattern or a wood grain. So let me go get some things and we'll play around. Okay, I brought my wood grain stash. I figured we'd look here first. No. No. I don't think wood grain's the answer. What else do I got in this stack? Brick is better. No. Obviously not. This black wood grain actually looks kind of cool. I wonder if I should go for a dark background. No. No. Parquet. No. Yeah, that tone is not really going with my vibe here. Okay, not wood grain. Let's see what else. I think we might just have to maybe stencil or something in the background. Yeah. Oh, but what color? Because it's like a corally. Kind of want to go with this color maybe, since it's so such a main color in here. I'm not finding the background paper. It just needs something. I even still have some Vicky Bouton pre-made backgrounds, and they're just, the pinks were too pink, like they're more of this. So yeah, if we do Tattered Rose and a little saltwater taffy, I think we'll be good. Let me move these guys. So some Tattered Rose, saltwater taffy, and now to choose. Kind of want to do one I haven't used yet, but at the same time, it's like, let's use what you know. How about I do those flowers? Because they kind of look like flowers that are here. That might be a good idea. Alright, I'm just gonna draw. I want this kind of centered. I'm just gonna draw some corners so I know where I want my stenciling. And we want, let's get 2 different brushes because we'll want 2 different brushes. Let's do some Tattered Rose first. Bah. saltwater taffy and tattered rose. Oh, that looks so much better. Just something. And then we're going to do this. We're going to just to get everything off. And I think we will let some lifting happen. And then we'll ink the edges with the saltwater taffy. Yeah. There, I did a little bit. Not as much as I would have liked. That's okay. All right, let's get this glued down. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to know I am playing along. I'm slacking like normal on getting my layouts done and edited, but I am playing. And I'm having a blast because it's been a while since I played with Cutfiles. Yes. I can still leave that there. I don't know why I didn't. What do you say? Should we add some blue splatters, maybe? It's like a dusty blue. I'm trying to think of what. Oh, I think my Ahoy maybe would work. My shimmers. Clean those in a second. There we go. Much better. No, not so white. I'm not a plain white background kind of girl. There we go. So just simply using one cut file helped me kind of expand this page and make it a little more interesting than it was before. So that's kind of exciting. So thank you for watching. Make sure you check out everybody in the playlist. I'll have it linked down below. Hopefully I made it in the playlist. I know they're having issues. But yeah, make sure you check out all the people doing cut files, especially Janet and MK. Make sure you go give them love. They created all of these cut files themselves and they're amazing. So I'm excited to use them all. I've cut a lot of them and hopefully you'll see more from me. But thank you. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye.